1. First, MongoDB requires to be downloaded from the official website. 2. Secondly, MongoDB must be selected from the community server section. 3. Then the operating system must be selected. 4. Then the terms and conditions are selected. 5. Then the parameters must be selected according to the user. 6. Then the option to install MongoDB as server should be deselected. 7. Next, the installation option must be executed. 8. Then a new folder on disk C must be created. 9. Then 2 new folders have to be created inside the new folders. 10. Then the command mongod must be executed to lift the servicer. 11. Finally, the command mongo must be executed to start working on this tool.